Pioneer is a telecommunications company. We are offering fiber internet to much of western Oklahoma. So that would be west of I-35. We stretch all the way north to Kansas, and as far south and west as Hollis. This is one of our larger rooms that we use for meetings and training events. It was a very dated room. There were partitions in the room where we could break it apart in multiple areas, but it was clunky. It had a drop-down screen, overhead projector. The audio was just terrible in the room. For anyone that connected remotely, it was just almost an impossible situation. We had a lot of technology challenges, plus the fact that the room, because it was dated, it really wasn't on brand for us.
The need was focusing the shift of a culture to be more technology-based. That was really the problem that I was trying to solve as general manager, is leading this company into what's next.
We really wanted to have a very technological room with better audio, better visuals, just a better training area. We've got 2 really large screens in the front of the room and then 2 on the sides, so everyone can see the content that we're sharing.
We have this room set up because of all of the flexibility. We have a training room style, and then we have a meeting style, kind of split in half there. We have 2 large video walls. We do have the 2 of the video cameras. There's the Yamaha audio system.
We actually have 2 iPads mounted to the walls, which are detachable. So you can walk into the room, you can turn on the entire system there. You can pull the iPad off of that mount, carry it over to the meeting, and manage it from there as well.
VOX provided lots of ideas, a vision of what this room could look like.
We walked around the room, explained what we were wanting to do, and then when VOX arrived, they gave us a detailed explanation of what they're going to be doing and would check in with us, make sure everything was going well. It was actually really fun to watch the system go up. You get very, very good detail with that 4K video wall, and everyone in the room is able to see it, whether that be a slide deck or actually detailed mapping or spreadsheets. We do use the room commonly for Teams meetings as well. With the cameras and the full room microphone system, the remote person joining the meeting can hear the audio so much better, and we can see them all on screen and they can share just like they were in the room. The video walls have made that so much easier, and it's so much crisper and brighter. It's much more productive. We're much more likely to come to this room now to have a meeting just because of the technology capabilities of the room.
It's been such a transformation from what it was before. So it's kind of like a refreshing moment. Like we did it, we did it.
I think it's innovative. I think this is the future of our collaboration and work together here at Pioneer.
I would highly recommend VOX just because of their personal touch, their willingness to listen and talk through scenarios.
It walked with us through every step of the process when we weren't even sure exactly what we wanted. And then after the sale and after the installation, they've been great with technical support. We're already discussing next steps and things we might want to do in the future.
Who knows what technology has to hold, and we won't do it without you, VOX. Thank you.